Hi everybody, this is Crystal. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. So today I'm going to draw a winner for a giveaway that I had about 10 days ago. It was for a box of mandala yarn that I had. So all you had to do for this particular, I have the comments loading here. I choose at random, but you did have to say something particular in the comments. You had to tell me like either your favorite variety of mandala or your favorite flavor or color or whatever of mandala yarn. Or if you haven't used mandala, you can say I've never used mandala. You know, I'll get the gist of it. Just something along the lines of your favorite mandala type or mandala. I always say mandala, you know, to each their own. Let's see. I would quit talking, but they're still loading up the comments. But there's probably going to be about 5,000 comments, I think I've seen. And so only one person can win. But remember, I do have giveaways all the time. I have one planned again for next week. I also have 3 new tutorials on my hook. And then I have some very nice yarn coming in to show. So, you know, I try to do what I can for a yarn and crochet channel. I did some yarn shopping videos. What can you do? You know, tutorials, show yarn. It's a yarn channel. That's pretty much it. So I do what I can do. All right, it's done. It's done. I can quit talking. There are 5,034 comments. Now, only one can win. That's okay. Like I said, I have giveaways a lot. I'm going to hit this start button. Hopefully, there's not too much of a glare. And it's going to shuffle through some names. One name is going to pop up, and that will be the winner. You guys ready? Here we go. This is so much fun. But I can't read it backwards. I can't read it backwards. Charisse Crochets says, "Hi Crystal, thank you for the opportunity at another fantastic giveaway. My favorite of the Lion Brand mandala is Mandala Bonus Bundle." That's a big one, isn't it? That's like bigger than my head. It's a nice one, yeah. It says, "I absolutely love how the yarn feels. I love the colors too. Your favorite color is the Sasquatch." Awesome. Charisse, you got a YouTube channel? Let me check you out and see. Congratulations on your win. Let's see if she has a channel or if that's just her name. It says, "Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Charisse." Oh, I'm saying that right. I'm still really new to crochet, but very much looking forward to learning. She don't have any videos on at the moment, but who knows? Maybe one day she will. So you could always go hit her up and subscribe, and maybe she'll put some content on or something. It's always good to support each other if we can. So congratulations, you are the winner. So what I need from you to do is I need you to email me at bagodaycrochet@gmail.com and send me your mailing address. Now, if you live outside the States, I'll need your mailing address and your phone number. But if you live in the States, just your mailing address is fine, so I know where to ship it. And send it to me. If you don't hear back from me in 24 hours, send it to me again, because I get a lot of emails. I'll just say, hey, I got your email, and I'll ship it out as soon as possible. But that's it. So congratulations to you. Thank you, everybody, for entering. Thank you, everybody, for watching my videos. And look forward to whatever I might put out next. Hopefully, you enjoy it, whatever it is. Bye, guys. Thanks.